Hi YouTube, Unkert here. Welcome to my Python Basics playlist. In this video, we're going to look at printing to the console with Python and also just how Python handles some basic arithmetic. So let's get started. We're going to create a new file, and we want to create a Python file with the .py extension. And I'm going to call this printing underscore and arithmetic. Okay, and my IDE will add the .py. If you are just using another text editor, you want to add that .py extension. Okay, and you'll see once this is created, I don't want that. You'll see that we have the .py extension here in the file. Okay, I'm going to close out the sidebar here. And what we're going to do is we are going to print to the console. So what I'll do is I'll type print, and then within parentheses and within either single quotes or double quotes, I'll type hello, my name is Tim. Okay, and then we'll add a new line at the end of our document. Okay, and what we want to do is we want to open up a terminal here, and to run this program we'll type Python 3 and then the name of the file. This is printing and arithmetic. I'm going to start to type printing and hit tab, and that's going to autocomplete, and then I can run the file and you'll see it says hello, my name is Tim. Pretty cool. All right, you'll notice with the print statement that it adds a new line at the end of the statement. If I don't want that, what I could do is I can do print and say this is line 1, or this is the first print statement. And then we'll do a comma, and then we'll do end equals, and let's do a space in between our print statements. So we can do that. And then we can do another print here and say this is the second print statement. Okay, and just get rid of that first line there. Okay, so we'll open up a terminal again, and I can use the up arrow to run my previous command. And now when I print, you'll see that there's a space in between here because I changed the end here. Normally it will add the new line character, but you can modify that, of course. Okay, I'm going to close out my terminal again, and let's get rid of these lines and now talk about some arithmetic in Python. So let's just print some simple addition. So 10 plus 3. Okay, I like to use the numbers 10 and 3, and I'll show you why in a moment. And let's copy this. Let's do okay, we'll get some more lines here, and we'll change each of these. So I'll change this one to subtraction. I'll change this one to multiplication. I'll use the slash to change this to division. I'll go down here. I'll change this to a percent sign. I'll go down here, and I will, let's just get rid of that and do a double slash here, which is interesting. And let's get rid of this one and do 2 asterisks. Okay, so now let's run this and see what it gives us. Okay, so let me move this. Let's see, can I get this up here? There we go, so it's a little bit more visible. Okay, we'll run our previous command, and cool. So we see that 10 plus 3 is 13. Makes sense. 10 minus 3 is 7. Still very normal. 10 times 3 is 30. Okay. 10 divided by 3 is 3.3 repeating, and there's a slight loss of precision at the end here where you see the 5. That's to be expected, but some languages, when you do something like this, it will give you the integer 3 back because it just performs integer division, especially when you have an integer and an integer here. In this particular case, it did not do that. Okay. After that, this next one, we have what we call the modulo operator. And what the modulo operator does is it returns the remainder of the division of 10 divided by 3. So 10 divided by 3 is 3 with a remainder of 1. Next up we have integer division. So the double slash is integer division. Some languages do this by default, but if you want integer division in Python, you'll have to do 2 slashes. And then finally we have 10 raised to the power of 3. And to raise something to the power, you can use the double asterisk as so. And 10 raised to the power of 3 is 1,000. So that concludes this video about printing to the console and some basic arithmetic in Python. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.